Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss what are the most important theory questions that you need to learn for your semester 5 under the subject research methodology. Again, a very important video for all the TYBBI Sem V student. Okay, also known as RM the subject. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss what are the various answers that you need to cover up in order to get cover up your entire syllabus in short. Okay, there are around 25 to 30 topics that you need to cover up, and with those questions I can guarantee you all that you all can easily get great marks from the subject RM in your Sem 5. Okay, so let us see what are the topics, what are the questions that you need to cover up one by one. Okay, very first, explain the features of research. Second, explain the importance of research. Third, explain the objectives of research. Fourth, explain the importance of research in business. So these are basically the questions that are going to be there from the first module. Okay, you all can make a note of these 4 questions first. Then we'll move to the next set of questions. Okay, next, explain importance of research in environment. Next, what are the various importance of research in marketing? Explain the importance of research in HRM. And explain the importance of research in finance. So again, wherever the importance related question of research under various heads, that needs to be covered up very well. Next, explain research methodology. Next is explain the types of research. Next, explain research process. Next, explain the type of hypothesis. Okay, so this is the second and the third module based. These questions are now going to be there. Again, very important, research methodology, research process types and the hypothesis types, very important topics to be covered up. So you all can note it down and then we'll move to the next set. Okay, next is explain the essential qualities of a good research. Again, very simple topic but a very important topic. Next, explain the features of hypothesis. So the meaning, the types, the features, very important topic under the heading hypothesis. Next, what are the explain the features of research design. Okay, and last, explain the factors affecting the research design. So now this is based on your research design question. Under that we had features and factors, very important topics. So you'll get noted down and then we'll move ahead with the next set of questions. Next, explain the steps in research design. Explain the essentials of good research design. So again, remember, these are all the set of questions under research design. So again, if you can see, there are multiple questions being coming up on this particular topic. So this entire topic of research design is very important. Explain the type of research design and explain the method of sampling. So till there the research design gets done. Now the sampling part starts. So explain the method of sampling. Okay, next, explain the types of data and the sources from where you can collect those data. Next, explain the sources and method of primary data collection. Explain the features of data processing. And fourth, explain the meaning and features of coding of data. So now this is from basically from the the later part of the third module, where you have based on data collection, data sorting and coding. Okay, next, explain the features and characteristics of analysis of data. Explain the types of data analysis. Various data analysis are there. Write a short note on factor analysis. This is basically from the 4th module now. Write a short note on ethics and research. Okay, and now the last set of question. Write a short note on tabulation and its various types. And write a short note on bibliography and footnote. And the last question, explain oral and written research report. Okay, so a set of 31 most important topics which you need to learn in order to clear and get good marks in particular subject RM. So I hope everyone have noted down all the 31 questions, the important question. So with that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.